How to fix Instagram sharing list not in order. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Instagram sharing list is showing random accounts and they're not in the order that you expect. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Here, Instagram no longer shows your closest or most messaged friends at the top of the share list. Instead, it will randomly show up and it will show a mix of recent and algorithm based content or the contacts. So, in order to fix that, if you are using Android device, you could simply clear your application cache. For that, you can close the Instagram application and open up settings in your device. And once you're under settings, tap on apps. You will find Instagram on the recently opened application. So simply tap on Instagram from there. If you cannot find it there, tap on see all apps and search for Instagram. So once you're under the app info piece of Instagram, scroll down a bit, head towards stories and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Now this will refresh your application and the application may load your DM data and you can find your expected share list on your Instagram account. After that, go back and check, and if that still does not help you, make sure that your application is up to date. Here, open up the Google Play Store in your device. Then you have to search for the Instagram and check for the updates. If the update is available, then simply update the application. After that, once the update is complete, now again head back to the settings. Again, head towards apps. Go to the Instagram. After that, tap on force stop and then reopen the Instagram application, and that may help you fix your problem. So here Instagram prioritizes your recent DMs. So if you go back to your Instagram application and check on your DMs, and if you want someone to appear at the top of the list, you can just send them a quick message and that will push them up in your share list. After that, if this still does not help you and if you're still having issues, you can simply try to uninstall the application, reinstall it back, log it back to your account and check if that will help you or not, because sometimes a clean install help fix persistence bugs like this that you're facing. So these are some of the methods that will help you fix your problem, and that's it. Hopefully your share list is back in order now. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.